Hey guys, me and Alex are back, and this week we're trying Polish candy.
Which is really exciting because we've never tried anything from Poland ever before, so we're so excited for this.
Looks really good. Nothing like we've really tried before, although there are some things that almost look like a Polish version of our British food.
Yeah.
So something looks like Jaffa cakes, these look like Twix. Shall we get into it?
Yeah.
Okay, so there weren't actually that many sweets or candy. It was lots of savoury, lots of biscuity things.
Lots of wafery things.
Lots of wafery things. So should we start savoury as we always do?
Yeah.
Should we go Puffs original?
Yeah.
So these look really fun.
I love the kind of Donald Duck kind of character on the front.
There's no English on here, although it does say crisp corn natural. That's the only thing that I can read. And they look like cheese puffs, but if they're just natural, they're probably just like a ready salted or something.
Which is funny because this writing is almost like Chinesey, isn't it?
Yeah, it does look Chinesey. So let us know, have you had these before?
And I wonder, if you're from Poland, let us know what this guy's name is.
Yeah.
He must be like the mascot.
He might be called Sikos. They don't smell like much.
I'm excited for that though, I like it when... Oh wow. That is not what I was expecting.
So picture a Cheeto or a What's-It, and someone's taken all the flavour off.
Yeah.
Could you not shake over some paprika or some salt or...
I'm sure you could do whatever you like with it. These look quite traditional, so if you have these in Poland, let us know. You're going to dip these in something, and if so, what is it? And what are we missing here? I think I'm going to give them a 6 though. They're enjoyable. I could easily snack on those.
Okay, we have another bag of crisps. These ones here, and she was really like handing these to us. And this flavour is, it says serbla, but it looks like an onion and cheese.
Yeah, no, it looks like garlic and cheese.
Oh, garlic and cheese.
And these look a little bit like quavers.
Can't smell too much.
No, not really packed with flavour.
Yeah, there's loads of Zs in this
language.
Cheers.
What's interesting though is like our food is flavoured a certain way, and like America, the food is really strong.
Yeah.
And that's what you get used to. But if you're in a country where they don't pack everything with loads of flavour,
you're probably more used
to it.
There's not much flavour on here, but it's delicious.
Oh, that's really good, yeah. This is almost the same flavour, I would say, as a quaver.
Oh, 100%. It's definitely like a garlic and cheese flavour, isn't it? Oh, these are absolutely delicious. What are you giving these?
I'm going to give these a 9.
I'm giving them a 9.
They're so good. I'll be popping back into that shop.
Oh, definitely for these. And for 60p.
Isn't it funny how the design is different?
Yeah.
Like, this is much more subtle. Like we're saying about the American candy with the flavour being so punchy. Also, the bags are punchy because they want you to see it on the shelves.
Well, in Japan, how bright and bold everything is. This is all quite neutral, isn't it? She handed these to us. Now, they look really interesting, and she said puffed. Is it rice?
They look like Rice Krispies.
Yes, I reckon there's not much flavour in these.
I don't reckon so.
They almost look like grains.
Well, rice is a grain.
Oh, yeah.
Again, it's a bit like a Snacker Jack, which is the same kind of thing, isn't it? Not a lot of flavour, again.
I'm not trying to say it tastes like cardboard, but kind of got that vibe.
Yeah, cardboard, not in a bad way. So I think I'm going to give them the same score.
I'm going to give them a 6 as well. Cracks. Sweet. I don't know how to say that.
Yeah.
Is there anything that's screaming out to you about this? These look to me just like our Tuck biscuits.
Yeah.
So I reckon they're like a savoury cracker, but with a slightly salty crumb, or a sweet salty crumb. We tried something like this in the Indian candy, didn't we?
Yeah, but they were sweet and savoury.
They were 50-50, weren't they?
That's good.
No.
I like a plain biscuit. Do you know why?
Why? Goes great with beer. They almost seem like the texture of mini cheddars. Almost.
Recently, I went to the Brewdog AGM, and this would be the perfect snack to have taken with us, because we loaded our pockets with mini cheddars.
And if you don't know what Brewdog is?
If you don't know what Brewdog is, I'll leave a link below. They've got one in Brazil, a couple in America, Reykjavik in Iceland, Singapore, places like that.
Oh, good. So yeah.
I think that's an 8.
I think that's a 7.
It's so Moorish, I want some more.
Now, I absolutely love it when we can try a drink from a country.
Well, we don't always love it per se, because...
But it's just so interesting to see what they have.
In the Japanese one last time, we didn't love
that. Oh, that was disgusting. Now, this is awesome. It looks like watermelon and apple, wouldn't you say?
I'd say so.
It's in a glass jar. but there's actually like a, what would you say?
A ring pull.
A ring pull, so you can actually drink this as a cap, because it's obviously a soft drink, and some kids probably want to drink that, but they don't have a pull. Oh wow, that's cool.
To be honest.
This looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Smells very fruity.
Light.
Cheers. Oh wow.
That's nice. It reminds me though of a flavour of like a lollipop or something.
Yeah.
I don't know what.
Like a lollipop melted down. It doesn't taste that artificial though, does it?
But like a lollipop when we've been on holiday.
Did anyone growing up ever have those lollies and it had like a flute at the top?
They're the ones, that's the one.
And you do that, I mean, I think that's
the one it tastes like. I was trying to think where I knew that from.
It is that one, isn't it?
Where did we used to get those? Just in the shop?
We used to go on really long walks on our holiday, do you remember? And we either get to buy Hubba Bubba or the blow pop things. And on our walk would be doing the whistle.
What they were called? Blow pops?
I don't know. I think blow pops are the American brand, and I'm just
Let us know if anyone knows what they're called.
Or if you ever had them.
A kind of like long, thinnish.
Like a mini flute.
Well, it's like what's it called? A lollipop. But then instead of the stick moved in and out, and that was like doing different notes.
And on in the and out, it had the numbers, and you also in your wrapper got a song with numbers, and we'd all be trying to sing our song. I actually really like this juice. It tastes quite fresh and fruity.
Yeah,
I'll give that. Yeah, and light.
It's
I'll
not
give that
too
an 8.
like sickly.
Almost like Robinson's over here. Robinson's juice.
I'll give that an 8.
I'm taking control. I really want to try these.
Okay, go for it.
I'm probably not even gonna like them. So these look delicious. Delicigi? I'm probably absolutely hacking this, but we picked these up because they look just like our Jaffa cakes, but not orange flavour. They did have orange flavour. These look like blueberry. I kept saying blackcurrant, but they're blueberry, aren't they?
Blueberries, yeah.
They also had an apricot flavour. I'm really intrigued as to what these taste like. They look like the same as us. We've got the almost sponge biscuit base, a jelly, and then it looks like dark chocolate on top. Ooh! They practically look like our Jaffa cakes, don't they? They smell so fruity. The blueberry's interesting. The sponge is nice. And then I don't know if I like the chocolate because I'm too busy tasting the blueberry. We actually included Jaffa cakes in our first British candy box. So if you bought one of those, this is almost what that tastes like, but a blueberry version. So we'll leave a link down below to our British candy box. We package up some of our favourite candy and snacks and crisps each month and we send it out to you. So go down in the link below and you can get yourself one. What do you think to this?
I think they're excellent. I think they're a 10.
Really?
Yeah, I really like that.
The blueberry flavour?
Yeah, I really like the blueberry flavour.
I like the blueberry, but I think because I'm so used to an orange Jaffa cake, I'm finding it a little weird.
In some ways I like them more because they're a bit thicker, a bit spongier.
And a bit
more to it.
I'll give that, I can't decide.
I'm giving that a 10.
I'll give that a 7.
I think we go for these bad
hoping you
boys, which look like the Polish version of a cross between a Twix and a Rocky, which is interesting. These are £1.55 here.
And look
These
on
are
this
called
bit.
Karuski, Paluski. Well, that's probably all wrong, but anyway. And it says Z Carmele. The thing is, I'm not even sure what a Polish accent is. So I'm trying to like put a French accent on it and like doing look and like.
Look, so they do come individually. Oh,
they're really thin.
They're tiny. So you've got 4 sections in the box, and they almost. Have you ever seen Cadbury's fingers?
So I was just gonna say they're more like Cadbury's fingers with caramel.
Oh wow, they're mini Twixes.
Really good. This is amazing.
Oh my word. At first you'd think, don't want it to be mini because you get hardly any caramel, but it's having it all together as an experience.
The flavour combination in there is so good. The caramel
the biscuit's
is delicious.
Lovely. Oh, I like the caramel.
Because it's like, you can taste it, it's like, look at that caramel. It's like that proper caramel.
It's like fudgy caramel.
Yeah.
These are really good. I think I'm giving them a 10.
I think I'm going to have to give these an 11.
Really nice. You get loads in there.
Although I thought they would be good, I didn't think they'd be that good.
No.
We have a dedicated Polish shop here, but if you don't have one and you want to find some of these sweets and you live in the UK, They sell a lot of them in like big Tesco's, big Asda's,
Sainsbury's,
Morrison's.
I think Morrison's do have a
Tesco
whole, what's it called? A
A world
world.
dial, yeah.
Oh, we don't have many things left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall we go with the full-on chocolate?
Yeah, let's try the
So
full-on
we saw
chocolate.
this, we're guessing it's just milk chocolate, and we always love trying each country's milk chocolate or
Yeah.
something, just so we can base it from everything else we've tried.
Because what's amazing is America has the worst chocolate.
Yeah,
And,
sorry guys.
Well, not actually all their chocolate is terrible. It's mainly Hershey's.
Some of the others, Hershey's.
Hershey's. And then-
Hershey's. Ooh, they're almost like round squares.
Smells
Quite
great.
thin, got a nice snap to it.
Smells great. It's really fantastic.
That tastes like Cadbury's.
That's really
Yeah,
good
slightly.
chocolate.
Slightly like Cadbury's.
I'm gonna give that a. I'm gonna give that a
10.
10. So let's open these.
Oh, insert your favourite saying here.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of sweets, but these, oh, I'm so excited. These are practically one of the only sweets in the shop.
Yeah, they look really cool though.
Now, I don't know if you've seen now, but do you not think there looks like there's something in there? Oh,
They look a bit like
now this
strawberries
is the
or
type
something.
of sweet I love.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
they
definitely
do.
got something in there. Look at that.
Oh.
It's like a spot. You just
I
show
love.
them that.
You're trying to
No.
squeeze. No,
Look,
no, it
it's
actually
coming out,
feels
it's coming
like
out.
if you did a little
It's
nibble.
a seppi.
Ew. Or that looks like a raspberry jelly.
Yeah.
So there's definitely something inside. I love sweets like this.
That's good. As I've said a couple of times, I don't really like sweets.
But you
But
like these.
My favourite kind of sweets are the ones with this
Like white bit
white
underneath.
stuff on it.
Cushiony.
cushiony stuff. So it's not just all the sweet bit, and also with the centre.
These are amazing. 10 out of 10.
Well, they're an 8 for me, but I do appreciate that they are
A
good.
cuckoo. Oh. And there's more that I can enjoy. Should we try something I don't think I'm gonna like?
Yeah.
This is banana in chocolate.
Now, I love bananas, but when
Is this a fresh banana? It's like, how long
It kinda
has this
looks
been
like it.
stored in there for?
It's weird. I like fresh strawberries, but sometimes I don't like strawberry ice creams and I don't like strawberry yogurts.
This one here literally says banana in chocolate. There's, you know, it's all English.
I'm intrigued by this. I've never seen
Okay.
anything that's just like banana.
It looks dark.
I would
Smells
imagine dark
banana-y.
chocolate. And if
to
you break
open.
it, it's just going to squirt everywhere.
That's why it was like stuck at the bottom. It actually looks like
looks
more
like-
of an aubergine.
I was going to say it looks like half a banana.
But it does
that's
look
been-
like a banana. Should we break it in half?
Yeah.
Oh my word.
It's soft.
Oh, that is not a real banana at
And
all.
you're saying about me dropping things. It's so light.
It's like a squishy banana. Here in England, we have foam bananas.
Oh, have you pressed it?
Yeah, it's like,
It's spongy.
oh wow.
That's really strange.
So it's not real banana. But it almost has the
It's like
same.
moussey, yeah.
The dark chocolate's not bad actually, I think because it's so pungent from the banana.
It does taste a bit like those banana sweets.
But a different texture. Do you not think it's almost like the consistency of marzipan, like the mice? It's got a little crunch to it, you can almost taste sugar.
I kind of like it.
Interesting. I don't
but
mind
I'm not
it.
sure I would eat it again.
Okay. I don't often get banana flavours. We have banana Laffy Taffy,
Yeah, we don't
banana
have
foam,
anything banana-y here.
but not really. That's really not that bad.
Yeah.
I'll probably give that a 7.5.
I'm going to give it a 7 then.
I wonder if that has the same nutritional facts as a banana.
I doubt it. Wouldn't that just
One
be
of my
great?
5 a
Yeah.
day. Oh, 2 things left, and you want to say
wanna
go
end
to the
on
end.
those, yeah.
So
Let's open Prince Polo XXL Classic flavoured from Olza.
XXL. So I wonder if this comes in smaller sizes. And this says classic, so I wonder if they have different flavours. It almost looks like the packaging of a Twix, doesn't it?
Oh,
Ooh, dark chocolate and wafer. Wonder what else is in there. Not a lot.
just wafer.
Just wafer.
Yeah.
And
Well,
chocolate.
little layers of chocolate, but yeah, just wafer.
Almost looks green, like minty, but I don't think it is.
That's actually really good.
And I always think I don't like wafery things, but every time I try them, Japanese candy, now I realise actually wafers really are great, aren't
Yeah.
they?
Wafer is so good. And
That chocolate's
wafer
nice.
is great with coffee or tea. for a little dip. Nice.
I don't give them that an 8.
That's a 9.
I thought you might go higher. That's really nice. I underestimate wafer things. Okay, now Al, are you not a bit worried you've bigged those up a bit too much?
No, it looks like they're a sandwich biscuit, but instead of 2 bits of biscuit, it looks like there's 3.
3.
And there's a light filling, and there's a milk filling. I just don't see how you can go wrong with this. I can't remember what country it was, but ages ago we had biscuits that are a bit like this. I can't remember. Just watch all the videos up there and tell me.
We've created a playlist. Ooh!
Interesting.
They're thinner than I thought.
Yeah, and the biscuit is much lighter than I thought.
Yeah, like
Ooh, smell that.
Smells like an ice cream sandwich. Smells really good.
I just don't know why no one has done a triple layer biscuit over here before.
Yeah.
Like we've done custard creams, we've got bourbons, but we've never taken it to that next level. We've never combined a custard cream with a bourbon. Maybe we should do that.
The debate's like, what do you prefer, custard cream or bourbon? Well, why don't you just have both?
Oh wow.
Do you not think the milk chocolate and the white chocolate, I don't know if you ever had them, but you know you get those dips with a biscuit and you can dip the chocolate.
That's exactly what I was just about to say.
Just taste like that.
Yeah. What are those things?
They're like you know KP do peanuts? That brand did the chopped dips. You get milk chocolate ones and white chocolate ones. I want to put those in our candy box. When we've gone on holiday before. Teddies.
Looks like the filling in that.
Yes. And in the shop they had a box with the same branding as the Barney Bears, so I wonder if they're like the same company. Those are absolutely delicious. They taste like something we've had on a holiday in Europe before. Really nice. I think I'm giving them a 9. I think I'm going to give these a 10. Go back and give them a 10.
What did you give them?
Did I give them a 9?
Oh yeah, maybe.
You're doing incredible. I'm getting more next time I walk into town.
Yeah, I'm getting more of this. Yes. Yes.
No sweets. Alright, I'm giving those a 9. What are you giving them?
I'm giving them a 9. I don't think they're quite as good as the... No, the Twixes were 11. No, actually they're a 10 because they're as good as the Jaffa cakes.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Did you enjoy that?
I love that.
So much of that was so delicious. Some really lovely flavours.
And I didn't know what to expect. I thought it was going to be nutty, and actually there was nothing that was nutty.
I know. We do have some more things that were nutty in the bag. I think that's
why I thought it was going to be nutty. But the thing is, did you enjoy it?
I definitely enjoyed it. There were so many different delicious flavours.
And if you guys want to enjoy something from our country that we enjoy, then just click the link up there or in the description down below, and we've got a subscription box, and you can try our candy.
You can try our things. We hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.